It's a new 2026 Buick Envision. This small SUV is big on luxury. With a spacious and quiet cabin, everyone who rides in this Envision enjoys the refinement it offers and its athletic performance. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, heated steering wheel, Wi-Fi hotspot, AM/FM satellite radio, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.